In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Odoo website. If you want to update the look and feel of your website, changing the font is one of the quickest ways to do it. In Odoo, this process is simple, and you can do it directly from the website editor without needing any coding. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for so you can make the change smoothly. Start from your Odoo dashboard. Once you're there, click on Website to open your site management area. This will take you to the part of Odoo where you can view and edit your website content and design settings. After the website loads, go to the top right corner and click Edit. This opens the website editor, which is where you can customize different visual elements of your site. If you don't see the editing options right away, give it a moment for the editor panel to fully load. Next, look over to the panel on the right-hand side and open the Theme tab. This section contains the appearance settings for your website, including typography options. Fonts play an important role in how professional, modern, or readable your website feels, so this is a useful area to know. Inside the Theme tab, you'll find options to change the font families for both paragraphs and headings. Paragraph fonts control the main body text across your site, while heading fonts affect titles and section headers. Adjusting these separately gives you more control over the overall style of your pages. Now click the drop-down menu for each font setting. Choose the font you want for your paragraphs, and then do the same for your headings. As you switch between options, pay attention to how the preview looks on the page. It's a good idea to choose fonts that are easy to read and that match the tone of your brand or website design. Once you've selected the fonts you want, your website's typography will be updated in the editor. This makes it easy to test different combinations until you find one that looks right. Small design changes like this can make a big difference in how polished your site appears. And that's it. That's how you change the font in Odoo website.